Assalamu alaikum, dear 9th class students. We are reading the play The Tempest written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare has written 38 plays and this play is the last play written by him. We have already discussed these things in previous videos. Now let's read the text of the story. It's page number 39. Have you performed your task perfectly, said Prospero. Now we have some very important work on your hands. The time between now and evening is precious for both of us. On one's hands, it means to give someone responsibility. Prospero told Ariel that he had done his work perfectly. Perfect का मतलब है perfect adjective है and when we add ly to it, it becomes adverb perfectly. And he told him that the time from then up to the evening was precious for both of them and he was going to give him some important work. More work, sir, let me remind you of the promise you gave me, namely to give me my freedom. After that, Ariel asked for freedom because Prospero had already promised him that he would give him his freedom. What? Said Prospero angrily. Anger noun hai and it's when we add ly to it, it becomes adverb. How dare you ask for freedom? तो उसने उसे कहा कि आप फ्रीडम के लिए क्यों कह रहे हो बिफोर द टाइम इज आउट, जबकि वक्त अभी नहीं गया है, जबकि अभी वक्त मौजूद है. Where would you be but for me? Have I to remind you how I released you from the pine tree? क्या मैं भी आपको याद दिलाऊं कि आपको वो बात याद दिलाऊं कि किस तरह से मैंने आपको पाइन ट्री से आजाद किया था. तुम कहां होते अगर मैं आपको आजाद नहीं करता. I am sorry, master, I will obey you willingly, said Ariel. Then Ariel told him that he was willing to perform the other task. Good, said Prospero. After 2 days, I will set you free. तो उसके बाद Prospero ने कहा कि he was going to set him free after 2 days. Meanwhile, carry out your tasks with a good heart. उस वक्त तक आप इस वक्त आप अपने काम बिल्कुल दिल से करो. Then Prospero told him what he should do and away went Ariel happily to the place where Ferdinand sat weeping over his father's death. After that, Prospero commanded him. He gave him more tasks and he told him what he should do. And after that, Ariel went to the place where Ferdinand was weeping over his father's death. Before reading the second part of the play, let's try to understand the questions that are given at the end of the lesson. It's page number 40. The first question is, who was Ariel and how did he come to be Prospero's servant? Ariel कौन था और वो Prospero का servant किस तरह बना? We all know that Ariel was a spirit. He was imprisoned in the heart of a pine tree by a witch named Sycorax. When Prospero came to the island, he found him and released him. In this way, he became his loyal servant. The second question is, who was Caliban? What did he look like? Caliban was the son of the witch named Sycorax. He looked more apish than a man. He was an ugly person. Question number 3. What did Marinda ask Prospero to do when she saw the ship caught in the tempest? When Marinda saw the ship caught in the tempest, she requested her father to put an end to it, to put an end to the storm if he had raised it by his magic power. Question number 4. What did Prospero say he raised the tempest for? Prospero told his daughter Marinda that he had raised the tempest for her sake. Question number 5. Why did Prospero leave the management of state affairs to Antonio? As we all know that Prospero was the Duke of Milan. He left all the management of state affairs to Antonio. सवाल हमसे कह रहा है कि प्रॉस्पेरो ने क्यों अपने स्टेट के सारे काम अपने भाई के हवाले क्यों किए? We all know that Prospero's chief aim in life was to gain more and more knowledge. He wanted to devote all his time for his studies. In order to achieve this aim, he left all the management of state affairs to his brother Antonio. Question number 6. Who helped Antonio to seize the throne? यानी कि तख्त हासिल करने के लिए एंटोनियो को किसने मदद की? The king of Naples helped Antonio to seize the throne. What did Antonio's soldiers do? Antonio के soldiers ने क्या किया? One dark night, Antonio's soldiers put Prospero and his daughter Marinda into an old and damaged ship to Persian Sea. Question number 8. How did old Gonzalo help Prospero? Old Gonzalo ने Prospero की मदद किस तरह की? Old Gonzalo was not in favor of Antonio's plot. Old Gonzalo एंटोनियो के प्लॉट में शामिल नहीं था और उसके फेवर में नहीं था, उसके हक में नहीं था. He was loyal to Prospero by heart. वो दिल से Prospero का ये वफादार था. He secretly stored the ship with clothes, fresh water and his precious books. उसने शिप में सारी चीजें, प्रॉस्पेरो की बुक्स और साफ पानी और गुज़ा स्टोर किया, जमा किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Who were in the ship that was caught in the tempest? कौन कौन से लोग शिप में मौजूद थे जब शिप टेम्पेस्ट में जगड़ गया, बंद हो गया? The king of Naples, Antonio, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, and some other people were in the ship that was caught in the tempest. Question number 10. What did Ariel remind Prospero of when Prospero mentioned more work? So, what did Ariel remind Prospero of? Ariel ने Prospero को क्या याद दिलाया जब Prospero ने और काम दिया? Ariel reminded Prospero of his promise, namely to give him his freedom when Prospero mentioned more work. Ariel ने Prospero से को याद दिलाया उसका वादा जो उसने उसे दिया था कि मैं आपको आजाद करूंगा जब आप अपना काम मुकम्मल करोगे. Dear students, after that here is language work. ये लैंग्वेज वर्क आपको पढ़ना है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट्स दैट आर गिवन एट द एंड. Recycling can be defined as the collection and separation of materials from the waste products and their subsequent reuse or processing to produce a marketable product. In other words, it is the use of materials over and over again. Waste from homes and factories contains valuable things which can be recycled as plastic, paper, metal, biogas and manure. Biogas is used as fuel for cooking. Paper and cardboard are made of pulpwood For every ton of waste paper collected and recycled, 2 trees are saved. Recycling also saves energy and raw materials. Aluminium uses a lot of energy. Every time you throw away an aluminium can, it's like throwing away the same amount of energy as in half a can of petrol. Recycling glass means fewer sand pits and limestone quarries are needed. As raw materials is becoming scarce and expensive, and as air, land and water pollution are posing threat to mankind, it becomes increasingly necessary to recycle. Recycling plastic bottles save 60% energy needed to make new bottles. 70% energy can be saved and making new steel from scrap. Recycling of 1 ton of aluminium reduces emission of aluminium fluoride into the air by 35 kg. Complete the following. अब हमें इन स्टेटमेंट्स को कंप्लीट करना है. Using the materials repeatedly in different forms is called recycling. Trees are saved by recycling waste products. Recycling also saves energy. Presence of any undesirable or contaminated substance in the environment is called pollution. Half a can of petrol can be saved by recycling. Half a can of petrol can be saved by recycling. And aluminium, half a petrol can be saved by aluminium can. This is enough for today. We will meet again with second part of this play. Bye.